In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to fade image in Figma. So first of all, we need to add a rectangle on Figma. So I just need to draw a rectangle by selecting this tool and then go to fill on the right panel and click on it. Under it, we need to add a gradient. For that, select this second option, which is gradient. Once you select gradient, select your first box color and make it black, just like this. And also reduce the opacity of the second color to 0. So I just need to make the second box opacity to 0, just like this, and now flip it according to your need. So I want to fade my image from this angle, so I have made the rotation like this. You can choose it according to your need. Now close this and then select your rectangle and press Ctrl D on your keyboard to duplicate this rectangle. And as you can see, I have created two rectangles here. And now we need to select the top rectangle, then again go to the right panel, again click on fill from here, and this time we need to select image option from here, and then we need to click on upload from computer. Now select the image in which you want to add fade effect. So I have this image, I need to select it, then tap on open, and now my image has been inserted here. Now what we need to do is go to the left panel and under it select both of your rectangles, just like this, and then right click on your top rectangle, and now here we need to click on use as mask, and then the fade effect will be added on our image. Now to adjust the settings for our fade effect, we just need to select the rectangle underneath of our top rectangle. So we need to select it and then again go to the fill from here, and now you can adjust the opacity or intensity of your fade, just like this. So this was the complete process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.